Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some really tough oil stains that I had to remove from a sidewalk recently. It's all started when I had a customer bring his truck in and he dropped off some equipment and I did some welding to his
Yeah, it does.
truck here. And while he was parked over the sidewalk, the engine oil was leaking oil onto the sidewalk pretty bad. So at first I started off with the normal thing. I didn't think this was going to be a big deal to get rid of these oil spots. So I just took just regular oil dry, just like I normally do, and I was expecting to have some really great results. This isn't smooth concrete like that's in the garage or shop. It's kind of rough, porous concrete here on a sidewalk. So first thing I'm going to do is pour this out and grind it in with my foot and sweep it up. But the real test is going to be when you take that water hose and rinse it away, and you can see right away the oil spots are obvious. I mean, oil draw definitely helped get rid of the main oil, but the oil stain, the spot is still obvious, which is not going to be acceptable. So I decided to break out some degreaser. This one in particular, I'm using Simple Green. I've used all types of the Purple Power, Simple Green, Zep, and they all have their pros and cons. I do like Simple Green quite a bit, and I was actually surprised I wasn't getting as good of results as I was expecting, especially with that oil dry. So I decided to make sure I scrub this in really well. But I also wanted to go ahead and just break out my little electric pressure washer. Now this is the Stihl RE90, and I can't remember the PSI on it, but it does really well of cleaning up spots like this. It's strong enough to do some really good cleaning, but not really strong enough to damage anything. And after letting that degreaser sit for a while, actually I have the rotary nozzle in this. It's just kind of clogged up, but you can see it's definitely helping take away some of the stain there. You can tell it's lightening up quite a bit, but still, and it looks like that oil kind of damaged the concrete. It made it kind of like it, took some concrete away with it. And again, I was still surprised, even once my rotary nozzle started working properly, it just wasn't clean enough. This is after it kind of dried up a little bit. You can just still see those oil spots. So I decided to go one step further. I'm going to put direct Dawn dish soap over all of these stains and scrub it in really well. I even went so far as to add Tide clothing detergent, and I scrubbed them in really well. I even put this plastic brush in my drill and used that to scrub this soap in really well into these stains. And once again, I was pretty disappointed after I rinsed it all off, and I was doing everything I could. I really didn't think that these stains were going to be this difficult to remove from this concrete on the sidewalk here. And it looked even worse once it dried more. It almost looked like some type of bacteria was growing there instead of an oil stain. It just really looked bad. Alright guys, so exactly 3 days has gone by and you can still obviously see these oil stains. Much worse than I expected. I actually expected those other cleaners to do a better job. They did help, but still it looks pretty bad. So I'm actually going to try this. I got this right off the shelf at Lowe's, this Goof Off, and it's got some good reviews, so I'm going to give that a try. Now you can dilute it down and spray it on as just a general cleaner, but you can also pour it directly onto the stain, and it says up to like an 1/8 inch higher above the surface and an inch past the parameter or the diameter of the oil stain. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pour it directly on to give full strength, and I'm going to block off this area in case someone brings a dog or something up. I don't want any pets to accidentally lick it up. probably be using gloves. Oh, it's like a white paste. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to spread it around and then get my signage to block people from walking here. I was expecting it to be more of a liquid, but they said to do it about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch high and about a little bit past the outside edge. So I got a chair. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna put a sign on it real quick before this starts drying. I want to just take a brush and kind of spread this around. So this is about 3 hours later, and it's pretty much dried up into a very fine powder. So I'm just gonna let it sit here. At this point, no, it wouldn't really cause any distraction. I don't think any animals would start to lick this up. I'm gonna let it sit out here for 24 hours. I'll say this, as I'm editing this video, it's actually easier to see where those oil stains are now that I'm watching it through this camera lens. But when I was rinsing it off, I couldn't hardly see any spot where those oil stains were. That is one of the rare times that I'm actually really satisfied. It says satisfaction guaranteed, and this is not a sponsored ad, video, or anything. I really thought that my other methods were going to do better. The oil dry, started out with that, then the degreaser, then the Tide and Dawn, and none of those really, it helped, but nothing like this Goof Off Concrete Cleaner. This was really, it seems like a liquid version of the oil dry, so it kind of soaks down in there. Man, I give this a freaking 10. So anyway, I really like it. Results really good, easy to use. Anyway, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll have more videos like this coming soon.